Hey. Good morning. Good morning. You won't even fit on the screen anymore. I used to could get you on the screen here, but yeah, that's just too big. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? I heard you in here talking to yourself. Who's you talking to? Tell me. Tell me. Who's you talking to? Huh? What? Tell me. Tell me. You ready to get up and go to school? Ready to get ready for school? Want to go to school? See your friends? Yeah. Okay. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Say mama. Say mama. Tata. You don't want to talk anymore? You don't want to talk anymore? No? Okay. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.